Can you hear it? That is the sound of quality engineering.
Hello everybody, hiya, toot toot, beep beep, and welcome to the Classic Restoration Show. Yes, it's finally here, the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show. Glad you could make it. Today we're going to have a look at exceptional German engineering, but this isn't it. No, this isn't it either. BMW have plants in Berlin, Munich and Leipzig, and Volkswagen have assembly plants in Hanover and Würzburg. However, we're going to look at Mercedes, who have their plants in Stuttgart, just along the road from Porsche, you might say. Let's head over to Stevo on the floor in the NEC. Stevo!
Well, this is interesting. I can tell you it's a Mercedes, but I think we should have a look round because just check the camber of those wheels at the front. They've definitely been modified. And there's a few other interesting tales in there as well, which make me think, who owns a Mercedes like this?
Not bad, eh? On a 1972 K-plate as well. I hope you enjoyed it, our trip here to the NEC, and from myself, Gregory Bear and Stevo, we'll catch you next time on SLR.tv. Toot toot, beep beep, see ya!